the difference in latitude between D and D, G, and also B. We have B and F. So here, first thing, you need to write the points at D and also the points at G. Then we find the difference. So what are the points at D here? So the points at D we have here, which is 60 here, 60 south. Okay, so we'll write the points here. We'll say at D here we have 60 degrees south, which is this one here. Then here again we have 40 degrees east. Okay, so we have 40 degrees east. Remember here I'm just giving you concept on how we should handle this type of questions. Okay, that comes this is paper 2. Okay, then G, we have this side. Our G, where is the so they lie in the same in the same longitude. They lie in the same longitude. So here we are going to say 50 degrees north, 40 degrees east. Okay, so as you can see here, the question is to find the difference in longitude. So sorry, in latitude. To find the difference here in latitude, which means, so here you consider the location. So when they are located in different hemisphere, what you do, we simply add the given angles. Okay, so here you just consider the latitudes. So these are the same. You are not going to consider this, but you consider the latitudes where we have difference in latitude. So this side you have 60 degrees south, and here 50 degrees north. So to find the difference, you say difference, which is difference in latitude, which is difference in latitude, which will be, okay, I'll use this space here, which will be it's 60 plus 50. So this we are adding 60 plus 50. The reason why we are adding, because they are in different location. If I thought they were in the same location, we would have subtracted. If I thought here we had the north and this side the north, would have just subtracted this two angles. Okay, so now this, they are lying in the different hemisphere, so you are going to find the sum. So here, once you had this, we are going to have it's 110 degrees. So this is the answer. Your answer will just carry 110 degree no direction, because it's summation of the two different locations. So this is how we find the difference in latitude. So again, on the other hand, this side we've got B, which is also in the same the difference in latitude. First thing, you write the coordinates at B and also F. Okay, so the coordinate of B, it's here we have, this is equator, which is 0, 0, here again you consider this side, which is 35 degrees east. Okay, 35 degrees east. And then again we have F here, it's 50. So F there is what, 50 degrees north, 35 degrees east. So as you can see, this 0 degrees has no units. Okay, it has no direction, because it's equator is a neutral what? Ground. Equator is a neutral ground. Unless it starts moving from equator going this side or from equator going the other side, that's when we are going to put north or south. So here, to find the difference, you consider this, whether you subtract or you add, you are going to find the same what? Answer. So here we'll say the difference, which is difference here in latitude is equal to, we have it's 50 plus what? A 0, which will give us 50 degrees. So this is the answer that you can find. Find the difference in longitude between C and D, B, F and G. So here we have C and what? D. Here what we want to find is the difference in what? Longitude, which is in great circles. So here what you do, first thing here, you need to write the points at C. So here the points at C, remember always you start with what? The latitude. So here the latitude is 60 degrees south, 60 degrees south, then we this side here we have this one here, which is 20 degrees west. Okay, 20 degrees west. So here we close. Then again D here again we have the same, which is 60 degrees south, 60 degrees south, it's D here. Then here we have this side is 40 degrees east, so it's 40 degrees east. Okay, so here again same procedure. If at all they lie on different locations, you add. So here we are not going to consider this. The one that we are going to consider is the longitude, this side. Okay, this is where the longitudes are. So these are the ones that you are going to consider. So now, considering this, we'll say since they lie in the different what? Locations. So you say difference. Okay, difference here in longitude, which will be here, it's hard 40 plus 20. So once you had 40, this one plus this one, what do we get? We get 60 degrees. This is what the answer, which is difference in longitude. Okay, so we come to the other one here, which is the difference between F and G, which is in longitude. So our F is this side. Now this side here, they lie on the same location. So we have F. At F here, the points is 50 degrees north. Okay, 50 degrees north, F, this side here is 35 degrees east, 35 degrees east. Okay, and then G here we have this is 50 degrees north, so this side here is 40 degrees east, say 40 degrees east. Okay, so as you can see, this one here, they are on the same direction or location. So here we've got east, and this side we've got what? East. Okay, so here we'll say it's difference again is difference in latitude, oh sorry, longitude, difference in longitude. So the difference in longitude, okay, so here we'll say it's since they are on the same area, which is they all lie on the same direction, which is what, east, this side. So what you do here, you just subtract 40, you take away what, 35. So here the difference is, the difference between these two angles, it's 5 degrees. So this is the answer that we find. So just know these different locations we add, same locations we subtract. Thank you very much.